Welcome to Beautyistic, where we're all about giving you honest, expert insights on the beauty products that matter. Today, I've got something for those of you who crave big, bold lashes that make a statement without all the fuss. Enter L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. Whether you're looking to amp up your everyday lashes or need something to take you into a glam night out, this mascara promises a whole lot of drama in one coat. Now, if you're tired of mascaras that don't quite live up to their volumizing claims, this might be your solution. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on honest reviews like this one. This L'Oreal Voluminous 2-pack gives you two different formulas, the Lash Paradise Mascara and the original Voluminous. The Lash Paradise Mascara claims to deliver a dramatic volumizing effect with 200+ soft, wavy bristles on its brush, and the original Voluminous Mascara features a volume-maximizing curved brush. Both are ophthalmologist-tested, allergy-tested, and fragrance-free, so you're getting a high-performance mascara that's safe for your sensitive eyes. Let's talk about performance. I've been using both formulas over the past few weeks, and I have to say, they deliver on their promises. The Lash Paradise Mascara in particular really stood out for its silky glide that coats lashes evenly with just one coat. I had no clumps and absolutely no smudging, which is a win for me. The volume was instant, lashes were noticeably fuller, and they had this lovely lengthening effect without looking too over the top. On the other hand, the original Voluminous Mascara provides that signature L'Oreal volume, but with a bit more separation between the lashes. The curved brush really works to lift and add fullness. But if you're looking for a super dramatic effect, you might want to layer it a few times. Now, of course, there are pros and cons. The pros are pretty clear. Both mascaras give you great volume, they're easy to apply, and they're really comfortable to wear. The wavy bristles in the Lash Paradise brush make sure your lashes get coated evenly without clumping, and both formulas are smooth with just the right amount of consistency. As for the cons, the biggest one for me was that the original Voluminous Mascara, while good, wasn't quite as impactful as the Lash Paradise formula when it came to creating intense volume in one coat. If you're in a rush, you might find yourself needing to apply a couple more layers. When it comes to value, this 2-pack is a solid buy. You're essentially getting two quality mascaras for the price of one, and both formulas do an excellent job at giving you the look you want. The Lash Paradise, with its extra volume and length, really delivers for those who love a dramatic lash look, while the Voluminous Mascara offers a softer, everyday lash. In terms of build quality, both mascaras come in sleek, attractive packaging that feels solid in your hand. The wand design is easy to grip, and the mascara itself lasts throughout the day without flaking, which I find impressive. I didn't notice any dryness or flaking by the end of my 12-hour days, which is crucial for long-lasting wear. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on this mascara, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, I've never personally had to reach out to L'Oreal for any issues, but the brand is known for offering great service if you need it. So I'm confident that they've got your back in case anything goes wrong. There are definitely some alternatives if you're looking for something similar, but potentially more affordable. Maybelline's Lash Sensational and CoverGirl's Lash Blast are both solid choices for volumizing mascaras. However, if you want the extra drama, the Lash Paradise is in a league of its own. To sum it up, L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara 2-pack delivers full, lush lashes with minimal effort, making it a great pick for anyone looking for a dramatic lash effect. The value for money is there, and it's easy to see why this product has earned a place in many beauty lovers' routines. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried either of these mascaras, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experiences with them. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.